Alright, so this is going to be the start of my mini bike build. I bought a Coleman CT 100U mini bike. Comes with a 3 horsepower engine and a centrifugal clutch. It's kind of a complete bike, and I'm going to be taking out that engine and putting in a Predator 212 engine with a torque converter on it. And this is going to be my ride for Oshkosh this year, I think. So we can have a golf cart and a mini bike there for the air show. And then I'll have it put for sale after, but this is what it looks like stock. And the first thing I'm going to do is take this engine off. I'm not even going to run it. And I'll have that for sale too. Basically just engine swap on this, make it a lot quicker. So I'm going to be building a mini bike, and I'm going to be taking off the engine that it came with, which is I think a 100cc engine, and putting on this Predator 212cc engine. But before I put it on, there's some things I'm going to do. I'm going to take off the flywheel and put a timing advance key on it. I think it's 8 degrees advanced. I'm going to ditch the stock intake system, get a custom higher flow air intake, and then rejet the carburetor. I think it's just the main jet. I was gonna get a larger jet. I'm gonna weld together my own exhaust and get rid of this exhaust system. And I'm gonna open up the case, and this is the first thing I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna get rid of this oil safety switch, so if I'm jumping or bouncing around, it doesn't shut the engine off. And I'm going to take out the governor. And since the engine's going to spin faster without the governor, I'm going to put heavier valve springs on. I'm going to put 18-pound valve springs on so we don't get any valve float at higher RPM. And that's going to be, think about it, for the engine. So let's get to work.